Why are we so attached to rain? The sky actually looks ready for it right now. In the comment thread on my earlier video on the history and evolution of crying, two wonderful people made some great points that got me thinking. Why have we as a race always been so attached to rain? Rain calms us, lowers stress, helps us sleep. Why? Why does water falling from the sky move us so deeply across cultures, across time? Maybe it started with rain being the sound of survival in the earliest of times. When the sky broke open after months of heat, it meant food would grow again, the animals would return, and we would live another season. Maybe our nervous systems evolved on that promise that somewhere deep inside, every raindrop still whispers, "You're safe now." Researchers say early humans learned to relax in the rain. Modern science actually backs it up. Rain creates what's called broadband noise. The white noise many of us use to sleep is a form of broadband noise, a soft, calming hum across many frequencies. It masks the sharp, sudden sounds. Your threat response powers down, heart rate drops, breathing slows, the body remembers safety. There's the chemistry. That smell with the first rain, it's called petrichor, a mix of plant oils and a soil bacterium called geosmin. Humans can detect it at just 5 parts per trillion, one of the most sensitive scents we know. Maybe because for thousands of years that smell meant fresh water nearby? Our ancestors probably followed it the way we follow the smell of garlic bread now. Philosophically, it's nice to think about the rhythm of rain. I read about research that found that steady rain's broadband noise is at about 60 to 80 impacts per second per square meter. This is a stretch, but philosophically, the human resting heart rate is in that range per minute. It's just a nice coincidence to think of as biological empathy. If we say nice every time we see the number 69, I think we can let this one go. There's what rain actually means. Every culture made rain emotional. The Sumerians prayed to Ishkar, the Mayans to Chop, the Hindus have Indra, the Yoruba have Oya, many Chinese have Yushi, the rainmaster. Different names, same feeling, the sky finally letting go. Even beyond that, rain has always been our metaphor for emotion. It's the heavens crying so that the world can heal. In Japanese haiku, rain means mono no aware, the beauty of impermanence. In both major types of Indian classical music, there are specific melodic frameworks called ragas that legends say bring rain when sung with passion. Raga Megh Malhar for Hindustani music and Amritvarshini for Carnatic music. In modern films, the deepest confessions, grief, or kiss come not in sunlight but in the rain. There has been a lot of this in Indian films. I guess vulnerability feels truer when nature joins in. It's personal for me too. I come from the state of Kerala in India, one of the places hit the strongest by the monsoon winds every year, causing a whole season just for rain. One of Kerala's traditional architecture styles is the Nalikete style, 4 wings around a central courtyard that's open to the sky above. Not just sunlight, but when it rains, you can actually watch the rain, hear the rain, feel the rain, and even step into the rain from inside your home. Rain is nostalgic for me. Our attachment to rain is almost transcendental. It's evolutionary, neurological, chemical, and emotional, a full body memory of relief. Rain doesn't just fall, it restores. It gives us permission to soften, to reset, to let something go without words. The next time it rains, you're looking at it through your window. Think about what it means to you and what it has meant to you all this time. Be gentle with yourself.